Hello everybody, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge. Today I'm going to show you guys a 2022 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye. It's got 797 horsepower. It's got the scoops in the front on the hood. You have brass monkey wheels. If you look closer, you actually have the Red Eye in there. That's how you know it's a Red Eye. Come around to the back. We have the trunk, which is lots of room in the trunk. And if you guys want to come inside, I'll show you the interior. Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm going to show you the interior of this 22 Red Eye Hellcat. Beautiful car, super nice inside. You have heated seats, vented seats. You have memory seats on the side here as well. Power mirrors, power doors, heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring. You have cruise control. Also, when you come down to here, you have your SRT pages, and then you have the launch mode as well. Yeah, like I said previously, you have 797 horsepower. This thing only has 36 kilometers on it. It's a very, very beautiful car, very rare. Harman Kardon sound system. You have a sunroof. You have suede roof headliner. And yeah, guys, give us a call. You got red seat belts, very nice Laguna seats. And if you want to know any more, call me at 780-278-2423. My name's Chad Davis. Have a good day. Thank you.